Confused as to when to add your hops? Stay tuned, I'll let you know why and when to add your hops. Hello everyone, Coach Chris here with WolfMoon Brewing, here again with question of the week. First off, I'd like to say thank you to everybody out there who's been watching my videos. I just hit 1,000 views, so thank you very much. I appreciate everybody that's out there taking a look at these videos, and I'm really hoping you guys are learning something. If you'd like to show your support, look down in the description. I've got a link for t-shirts, mugs, stickers like behind me, shirts like I'm wearing, to help show your support. This week, I'm going to talk about hops and when to add them and why you add them when you do. I've heard a lot of people asking, hey Coach Chris, why do I add hops at 60 minutes or 30 minutes or at the end of a boil? What's the difference? Why does it matter? There's a lot that goes on with the hop once it hits the boiling water, with the oils and the compounds that are in there and how it releases and what it does to the beer. But at a real simple level, the earlier in the boil that you put in the hops, the more bitterness the hop will impart and the less flavor and aroma. As the boil goes on and you put in hops later into the boil, i.e. closer to the end of the boil, it will impart less bitterness and start importing more flavor and start adding more aroma. You can even add hops after the boil, which will impart a lot more aroma and flavor and a lot less bitterness. You can even dry hop it and put it into the fermenter, in which case you'll get a lot more flavor, a lot more aroma, and almost no bitterness whatsoever. So if you want the hop that you're adding to your beer to have more bitterness and less flavor, add it earlier in the boil. If you want it to have more flavor and less bitterness, add it later in the boil. It is really simple. Now, as I mentioned, there's a lot that goes on with the flavor compounds and the oils. They've written whole books on it. I have one there called Hops. If you want more information, go ahead and take a look at that. I'll post a link down below for that book. But for today, just know that the earlier you put the hops in during the boil, or the longer that it sits in the boil, the more bitterness that it will impart and the less flavor it'll impart. If you want more flavor and aroma, add it closer to the end. So once again, I really do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video today. If you have any comments or questions for me, go ahead and leave them in the comment section down below. Maybe your question will be answered next week. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell to be notified anytime I post a new video, and while you're down there, smash the thumbs up button for a like. I really would appreciate it. Remember, home brewing is really fun, but so is drinking responsibly. I'm Coach Chris, and we'll see you next brew. Hello everyone, Coach Chris here with WolfMoon Brewing, here again with You done sneezing there, kitty? Hello everyone, Coach Chris here with WolfMoon Brewing, here again with question of the week. So if you want to add bitterness to your